What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is the day that we are going to begin wrapping the G35. I'm so excited. Finally, it's gonna really start to come together right now. I put up a poll on Instagram. What color do you guys think it is? And I want to hear the exact color. So far, nobody guessed it. One person guessed the old color that I was gonna originally do, but then I changed it to this one right here. One person guessed that, but we're not doing that anymore. Some of you guys guessed the color itself, I guess you can say, but as far as the exact color, nobody was able to guess it. But pretty much you guys are gonna find out right now, and I really do hope you guys like it. If you do, please make sure to leave a thumbs up. And I'm super excited. Today's goal is hood and fenders, possibly even the doors. I don't know yet. But I'm pretty much gonna set you guys up on a time lapse, and I'm just gonna try to just do as much as possible. I already know we don't have enough wrap to do the entire car, so there's a good chance that this may be a two-part video, or I may just hold out for a few weeks until I get the rest of the wrap in, and yeah, and then just make it one part. But I'm gonna try to make this, I don't know, we'll see what happens. But I'm just gonna set you guys up, and I'm excited. I just wanna just jump straight into it, so let's get it. that's where I'm gonna go ahead and leave today's video off. This is going to be part 1 of possibly a 2 or 3 part. I did not have enough wrap, and I am starting up back at work again, so I wanted to at least try to get as much done as I can before I start up work, because I'm not gonna have as much time. And this is where we got to. So we're very close to getting done. We just have to do the back part of the trunk, obviously, both quarter panels, both bumpers, side skirts, and the pillars. But I think we can go ahead and knock that out fairly quickly. I'm super excited though. I think we should be able to get this done in a 2-part. I really hope. Worried for the front bumper and the rear bumper. Still learning a little bit on the bumpers on how to wrap, but comment below, let me know what you guys think. This is Avery's 3M Radioactive Green, and this is 3M's Black Metallic, and this came out perfect aside from one little part. I'm pretty upset about that, but nonetheless, we did not have enough wrap to do a banner, but that's okay. We'll go ahead and take care of that later on. But I'm so excited, guys. And for those of you guys who may not know, I am doing this color for mental health awareness. I think it's gonna be just awesome. I'm so excited. Smash that thumbs up if you guys like it. Leave a comment down below, and I hope to catch you all in the next one, guys. Until next time, as always, peace out.